I purchased more Apple products. I also got this knife on Christmas. Let's unbox it.
When I started checking the box, I heard an AirTag measure sound inside. Do you hear the sound?
Uh-oh. Do you guys hear that? Huh. I wonder if the seller is tracking me. Because I bought used AirTags. Man, the seller even tried to make it look new by putting plastic wrap around it. But the first thing I noticed was the original Apple seal is gone, so that's kind of obvious. Also, the plastic wrapping is kind of... Usually when you buy AirTags brand new, they have a pull tab blocking the battery from actually activating the device. But since these are used, I wonder if the seller can see where they are right now. Also, you're probably wondering, didn't you buy AirTags a couple weeks ago? In that video, that AirTag was actually for a Christmas present, so it wasn't actually mine. But after giving that AirTag away, I kind of wanted an AirTag myself, so I decided to get the 4-pack instead of just one. Okay, the inside still looks pretty new. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, this one, you can tell this one is used because there's no wrapping. It's used, but let's see if it's iCloud locked. I think all I need to do is just put it next to the phone. Or do I have to open the Find My app? I think I have to open the app. Boop, boop. Huh, don't tell me it's out of battery. Okay, let's disconnect the battery and put it back. Oh, it made a sound. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let's see if this AirTag is already linked to an Apple ID.
Later.
Oh my god, the AirTag is still linked to the seller's Apple ID. Okay, I'm gonna try to contact him. Or her, whatever, I don't know.
1 week later.
The seller couldn't detect the iCloud from the AirTag, so he gave me the $20 partial refund.
Okay, I guess I'll just use one of the new AirTags that doesn't have an iCloud attached to it. Add AirTag. Wow, so magical. Boop. Yeah, you guys already know about this stuff. And the precise finding. I also got these AirTag holders on Amazon for like $3 for a 4-pack. I don't know why they came in a multicolored pack when I specifically chose gray, but whatever, it was cheap. I don't feel like returning this. Open, insert, close. Yeah! And now I'm gonna set these up for my parents. My dad's iPhone 13. My dad's iPhone 13 Pro. Boop. Let's try that again. So innovative.